Is your business getting bigger? Or too big to find yourself and lost? Thought of using a software system to streamline and automate your business functions without worrying about your budget? We got you! Get to know Connector. Your all-in-one, seamless, and reliable software system that'll allow you to oversee your business at your own comfort. Choosing from 7 systems within Connector, namely Human Resource Management System, Accounting Information System, Project Management System, Customer Relationship Management, Inventory Management System, Point of Sale System, and Management Information System. Avail 1 subsystem plus 2 free for only 28,499 pesos. Or get the whole software system for only 49,999 pesos. Your success is just 1 click away. Hurry and book a free demo now, or inquire for more details. Visit our website at www.brains.asia.